Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're gonna be reviewing and unboxing like a first look at the new Ditto projector from Joann. I'm super excited because when it comes to patterns, which are already difficult on its own, having to cut them out, get different sizing, it can be a lot. It can be confusing, especially if you're just starting out. So I think this projector is definitely a great step to making it a lot easier and getting more familiar with using patterns. Here it is. I got it delivered yesterday from Joann, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, take a look, set it up maybe, and see how everything works. It says Singer in there. I guess it's by Singer. That's interesting. When you open it up, this is what the box will look like. Hello, I'm Ditto. And this is what comes with the Ditto. So a projector, cords, of course, a rotary cutter, and pattern weights. Thank God. This is what some of this stuff looks like. It also comes with a cutting mat, and here the other beam. Now this is the instruction manual. It's actually really good, detailed, so pay attention to that, of course. Here is me setting it up. I have the projector in my hand, so you connect that to the beam. The pole is called a beam in the instructions, and you want to twist it and click it. And here you're going to see me sliding the projector thingy down, because in the instructions it said to slide it to your eye height. And here I'm just opening up the cutting mats. You actually want to have the Ditto sign facing yourself, and I changed that later after reading the instructions, so keep in mind that. And this is some tape. I'm not sure how to use that or what that's for yet. Here is just the cord that you'll use to plug into the projector and plug it in the wall. And here's it. It's all set up. It's turned on. I was super excited at this point. I'm also super happy they included this thing to hide the cords. That's pretty detailed. Helps for the wires not to be all over the place and just makes it look more neat and professional. All right, you guys, so this is how it looks, and this is basically a pattern, a digital pattern with the projector here. This is just a temporary layout because I didn't feel like to lower my table. But this is an example of how it would look. So you would lay your pattern down here. To get your patterns, you want to go to dittopatterns.com, and then you'll see different sections. So starting with my patterns, that's any patterns you save. Then there's tutorials for setting up and how to set up. There's also shop your patterns, where you want to go to find patterns. And this is the tutorial section. It's actually very good, very detailed. So when you actually go to shop for patterns, this is the subsection here. You click patterns and you can click the type. We'll do women's patterns. And as you see, there are over 634 patterns, so a lot to choose from. They have some customizable patterns, so that's pretty nice as well, which we'll go ahead and take a look at that. So we chose the Abby pattern. Because it is customizable, and she has my name. So as you see, the dress is shorter here. You would of course click your size, and there are different lengths. So here we have the floor length, and as you see, it's a lot longer than the first one we saw. Then maybe you don't want the floor length, maybe you want a T-length dress for a tea party, and as you see, it shortens it up. So it's a very cool feature. They have neckline and sleeves. This one doesn't seem to customize that. And they also have like the description of the pattern, how much fabric you'll need, the type of fabric you might want to use. So this is such a great feature. This should be on a fold, but they do have it where you can have it one side and just cut one. So you would put it there, and then I'll get some fabric and we'll test it out. So here is it with my fabric on. As you see, I just put the fabric and lined it up there where it says cut on fold. Typically you would have it at the edge here and everything, but I'm not fully done calibrating everything. So this is how it looks. You would literally just cut it out. Like, this is absolutely amazing, and it's gonna make things so much easier. They have patterns on their site that you can download with the subscription, but they do give you a 3-month free subscription trial. So definitely gonna try it out. This is a simple dress. In this video, it's more just of like a testing it out. If you guys do want like a full in-depth tutorial of setting up the pattern, cutting everything out with the projector, and actually making a full garment project, let me know. But this is just like an example to show you how it would work when you set everything up with your projector. So there you have it. That was the grand opening of the new Ditto projector. Overall, I'm definitely pretty impressed, and I haven't even really scratched the surface because that was just a very basic like unboxing, trying to, you know, feel around to how it would work. So I love the instructions. They were super clear. It seems like a lot when you open the box, but once you read the instructions, it's all pretty easy. Setting up, not bad. Everything went pretty smoothly. So I'm super excited to see how this works. If you want to see an actual video of me using one of the patterns, sewing it and making like an actual garment come to life, definitely let me know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.